Region 3 depicts the profile of a rural community due to the number of municipalities and barangays. Bataan, with its 11 municipalities and 237 barangays, is considered rural. Today, we will be visiting Samal Bataan, particularly Barrio Santa Lucia, to assess its characteristics as a rural community. So come join us with our barrio tour.
Rural community? Ano yun?
Rural? Tahimik?
Rural community is hometown sa province. Rural community, relaxing. Rural community? Rural community, simple living.
Rural community, what are you doing in environment?
Here to give a brief description about Samal Bataan. Samal is a fourth-class municipality in the province of Bataan, Philippines. According to the latest census, it has a population of 45,677 people in 7,346 households. Samal is formerly known as Samel. Samal has a copper and gold deposits. Samal is the leading producer of rice in the province. And the barangays of Samal are East Calagiman, East Daang Bago, Ibaba, Imelda, Lalawigan, Palili, San Juan, San Roque, Santa Lucia, Sapa, Tabing Ilog, Gugo, West Calagiman, and West Daang Bago.
Samal abounds with agricultural products such as palay, corn, vegetable, fruits, root crops, coffee, and cut flowers, livestock, poultry, and aquatic resources such as shellfish, crabs, prawns, shrimps, and different species.
Mahiin Avenida ng Antila nila. Maghintay kami ngayon ng bus going to Bataan. Yung bus na yung bus is Bataan Council. Yung biyahe is about 2-3 hours. Pero naghintay lang kami papunta.
According to Barangay Councilor Floser Fida Esconda, the people of Samal Bataan earn their living through agriculture and fishery.
Yung kasalukuyan namin kinuha dito, karamihan dito kasi magsasaka. Yun lang ang nagiging barangay dahil karamihan po dito, yun lang yung maraming lupain sila na yun ang pinagkukunan ng kanila kabuhayan.
They are well known with their products like araro cookies or rice cookies and different seafoods. There are around 2,800 enrolled students in Samal South Elementary School. But according to teacher Silveria C. Buwan, there are some students who refuse to attend classes due to insufficient allowance, lack of school uniform, and distant houses.
Sa klase ko ito, section dito, financial. Ngayon, sa nasusuportan ko, siguro, by the time na chances nila, yung tirang mga pagkain, nililingin sila. Hindi lahat. Bilang, pero usually sa mga batang ito, hawak ko lang hindi makalasa. Pero lahat naman po kayo, di ba? Yun ang nila. Kulang sana.
Hirapan. Kasi yung mga bata dito, kung titignan ninyo kung saan sila nakatira kapamilya, halos sa parang stress, doon nakatira, halos lang ng estudyante dito. Siguro 3/4 ng estudyante.
Saka gamit-gamitan, kulang sila. Masamitan, sa nilagyan ko.
But despite of these shortages, Samal South Elementary School is still ensured to provide excellence in academic and non-academic endeavor with the collaborative support of the school, personnel, parents, and the community. Santa Lucia Health Clinic is also one of our destinations. According to Juanita Evora, a barangay health workers and volunteers are just enough to attend the needs of the residents of the barangay. They just need more consistent and enough supplies of medicine. For some occasions, there are also medical missions conducted by the government or private sectors in the barangay.
Rural communities may be defined to refer to the barrios or barangays, which comprise the municipalities of each provinces. There are some role-like characteristics of the rural community. The population is generally small. The major occupations are farming, fishing, and forest extractive products. Barrier roads where it exists may be approximated to 3 meters on a horizontal basis, uncemented or constructed if contiguous to a mountain range.
And it also defines the rural community that is educational facilities are deficient as well as health support facilities. Lack of teachers, doctors, nurses, midwives, as well as the availability of medicine that affect the health of its residents characterized rural communities. There is an expanse of greenery wherein agricultural areas are situated. The housing materials in these areas are indigenous.